Hello lovely ladies and women, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of short hairstyles. If you have been looking for some incredible ideas to rock a pixie cut or style your short hairs perfectly, then you have come to the right place. I'm here to guide you through the process and help you achieve that perfect hair turning look. Now ladies, we all know that your hair plays a significant role in defining your overall style and confidence. That's preciously why I have meticulously created a captivating collection of mesmerizing styling tips and ideas that you are absolutely going to adore. With these new techniques, you will see a remarkable transformation in your hair that will leave you feeling empowered and beautiful. Just picture it. The magic and charm of these fabulous pixie cut will elevate your overall look from subtle highlights to bold undertones. Prepare to be amazed as you witness the breathtaking difference between your hair's appearance before and after trying out these stunning styles. I apologize for any background noise you may hear. Please bear with me, and I promise it would not decrease the enjoyment of this video. Now let's get down to business. I have an array of short hairstyling ideas lined up exclusively for you. These hairstyles are not only trendy but also highly impactful. They are specifically designed to cater to your hair's fancy, whether you prefer a jig bob, a pixie cut, or any other fabulous short haircut. I promise ladies that you will fall head over heels in love with these remarkable concepts. Let's talk about the incredible charm of grayish color, whitish color, and blackish color. Can you imagine how absolutely gorgeous your hair will look in these shades? The combination of black and grey creates a sophisticated and timeless appeal that is simply adorable and fantastic. These are the best of the best hairstyling ideas tailored exclusively for you. Oh, and don't worry, English is not your first language. I apologize if my English is not perfect, but fashion is a universal language that transcends words. So let's focus on the incredible looks I am about to show you. To give you a taste of what's in store, I have handpicked some stunning visuals of women rocking different short hairstyles from modern to elegant. You will find the perfect inspiration to express your unique style. So get ready to unleash your inner fashionista and let your short hair steal the spotlight wherever you go. But wait, there's more. This video is not just about styling ideas, it's about transforming your entire look. My channel is a treasure trove of invaluable content dedicated to helping you achieve your dream hairstyle, from step-by-step tutorials to expert advice and guidance. I have got you covered, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest videos. Trust me ladies, you will not want to miss out on the upcoming masterpieces. As we come to the end of this video, I want to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for watching. Your support means the world to me, and it motivates me to continue creating content that empowers and inspires. Remember, you are beautiful, and with the right hairstyle, you possess the power to conquer the world. Thank you so much for joining me today on our YouTube channel. We hope you enjoyed this display of beautiful and inspiring short hairstyles. Remember, your hair is your best accessory, and experimenting with different styles is a great way to express your creativity and embrace your individuality. So go ahead, rock those gorgeous short hairstyles with confidence and radiate your inner beauty. So until next time, keep supporting those fabulous short haircuts and stay beautiful inside and out. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching the video. Once again, thank you so much for joining me today on my YouTube channel, and until next time, may you remain fabulous and continue to shine brightly. See you soon.